Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, I got a camera for the AD5X. Let's scratch to this project. I bought this camera is for Flashforge 3D printers, the Adventure 5M, and other 3D printers that is in Flashforge lineup. And I also checked the ones that they are selling for the AD5X. It's the same one, so I just got this off from Amazon, which ships so much faster. But let's open this and see if this will be compatible with the AD5X. Here we go. Let's open this. It comes in a foam package. And there you go. That's it. This is a camera. To be honest, this camera, I feel like it's a little bit more expensive than other cameras. It advertised as 1080p and 720p, and it costs $40, which is like, wow, that is quite a bit for just a camera like this. How did they fit it in here? They give you a screw and the camera itself. Let's just take a look at the camera here. So it comes in, okay, so it's a fairly simple camera. Let's put it onto the AD5X. I'm actually impressed that they don't give you any instruction paper on how to install this. But don't worry, I will show you guys how to do it. The first thing that you want to do is put the camera right here. The camera will go right here. There's this cover, so let's take this off. And here is where the fingernail comes in handy, like that. Install it facing upward like this, and that's where the screw is gonna go. The camera is gonna sit right there, so just like that. And now we're gonna screw it in. Okay, so once we have the camera here, the screw is installed in there. Next, what you need to do is remove, so the AD5X logo, push it that way, like that. And now the back cover is shown. So once you get the screen off, attach the wire to this plug right here. Make sure it's all the way in, like that. And now we can just put this screen back. Before we put the screen back, we're gonna tuck this wire right here in this cutout right here, so that it's out of the way and it looks clean. There we go. The wire is now in there. And we just need to put this screen back. There you go. Now the camera is installed and everything looks nice. Let's turn on the printer and see if this will work. To be honest, I don't really like that startup noise. It's on, so let's go find the camera now. So we go to setting, the fourth option, the camera. There we go, it's on, video. So I guess our camera is on right now. Let me check on the slicer. This is Orca Flashforge. And let's go to device, our AD5X. And the camera should be here. Let's see if this will work. Play, camera, play. There we go. The camera is now in motion. As you can see, there, that's my hand. It's a little bit slow. My hand's already right here, but it's still showing my hands right there. So I'm gonna put my hand back again. My hand is over at the 3D printer right now, and now my hand is back on the camera, but it still does not show. It has a huge lag time. Wow. But I guess it is what it is. Hopefully they can fix that, to be honest. Hopefully they can fix that. The delay is so noticeable. It's like what, 10-second delay? It's back here. And it's just show right there. That's like 6 to 7 second delay. But it works. It works. Let's go. That was a successful install. That is great. The camera we installed, it worked, but it's kind of laggy. As you saw there, I put my hand to the camera and took my hand back for about 5-6 seconds, and then the camera shows that my hand was waving, but my hand was back at the camera here, if that makes sense. It's like 6 seconds delay for the camera, but nevertheless, we got the camera installed. It works for the AD5X. To be honest, I want the camera to be better since it costs $40 for that camera. If that camera costs like 10-15 bucks, then I'll be like, that's fine. But $40 for that camera and has huge lag. The quality isn't the best. So hopefully Flashforge will be able to fix that problem in the future, optimize using the software with the camera, because 40 bucks for a camera, it's not cheap. But anyway, we got the camera installed. That'll be it for this video. Comment down below if you still have any questions. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to become a member of the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep on 3D printing.